What's up, everybody? How is everybody feeling today? Okay, everybody's connecting. Let's just real quick. How well can you guys hear me, see me? A quick 1 to 10. A quick 1 to 10 from you guys. How well you can see me, stream me, and please like this stream so YouTube notices us. A quick warning, guys, there is a 3 to 4 second delay on YouTube, and this can and probably will affect the result of your trade. And if you guys want to trade without any delays, move to my Telegram channel because all of the signals are delivered second by second with zero delay. I'm going to send the Telegram link right about now. Okay, and the Telegram session is going to take place right after this stream. So stay posted, guys. Yeah. How's everything? How's life? How's life, guys? Let's talk about life. How are the results of this week overall? Because I'm not going to lie, the beginning of the week turned out pretty... not even pretty, very difficult. A lot of news, a lot of volatility, and tough sessions. But nevertheless, even in such conditions, we still keep on making money. The week has truly been eventful. I'm gonna say eventful. I think that's a good word to use. Eventful. The conflict in Iran is ongoing. Trump is meeting with Xi Jinping today, and yeah. There's a new Fed chair, terrible inflation data, and a lot more. The markets are volatile, and I mean they've been volatile for like a month now, but it's okay. It's okay. We know how to work in these conditions, yeah. And yeah, so on this stream, we'll be trading using the same strategy I've explained to you during the previous live stream, the last one. The strategy is designed pretty much to find the bounce setups using the two indicators, the stochastic and RSI. Okay. Let's just, I got my stochastic already out, locked and reloaded. Let's get our RSI up here as well. Okay. Yeah, let's just a quick reminder on what it all is. So the RSI down here, we have this one, RSI 14. It shows us pretty much the relative strength index. Pretty much meaning it calculates like the average price movement over the last 14 candles that we have over here in the pair that we chose. So if the price drops significantly below its recent kind of levels that it was, it touches the lower boundary. It's going to be called the oversold level. And when the market is oversold, we expect a bounce upwards. And so we open a buy trade. And as soon as the market is heavily sold off and it reaches the oversold zone, we look for a move upward. And on the other hand, when the price approaches the upper boundary, we call this the overbought level. So yeah, pretty much right now we're looking on AUD and ZD. RSI is pretty much in the middle. Yeah, it's not really moving. It's not really doing anything way too crazy. Yeah. But moving over to the stochastic oscillator, the stochastic shows us that it's near the overbought zone. So yeah, that's why we need the second oscillator, because RSI can show us one thing, stochastic can show us another thing, and we just have to kind of compare them. Okay. I hope you guys see everything. The RSI down here and the stochastic over here. Okay, yep. Yeah. Relative strength, everything else, pretty much. We just have to sync up these lines in our pairs. If they're close to the bottom, the green line, both of them, that means it's going to be a bounce upward. If they're close to the green line up here and this one, that means it's going to be a bounce downward. Okay. Yeah. I think I think we're ready. I think we're ready to trade, ready to work. Bring that bread home, as I always say. So we're just gonna move on to work with this strategy and try it on the live market. Okay. The results, as again, can be slightly worse than usual right now because this is a bounce strategy. It works best in the range bound market when there's a no clear trend. And right now, the markets are trending and volatile, so aren't conditions aren't ideal. Okay, but overall, I think everything should work fine. So I think it's already time to get down to business. We've been out here for like 5 minutes already, not trading anything, and I'm getting the itch a little bit, getting that itch to trade, to show you guys. I don't know. I don't like to say what I feel the trading day is gonna be like. Got to get some trades in to kind of test it out. So drop quick three pluses, plus 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 in the chat so I can see you're still here, ready to copy the trades, especially since we've improved the technical side and now the delay is only 3 to 4 seconds. That's basically the bottom line that we can get on YouTube. Like a month ago, it was like 7 to 8 seconds. Right now, it's more or less better. Okay. What do we got here? We have the stochastic oscillator on AUDNZD. And it's showing us that it's down here. It is in the oversold zone. Probably going to be bouncing back up. Why is my time at 7 seconds? Who's going to tell me that? I don't think anybody's going to tell me that. Let's quickly put a minute here. As per usual, our minute trades. And RSI's in the middle. Let's just check out some different pairs that we have going on here. Now, this is a solid jump up. Again, I'm looking at stochastic, looking at RSI. Right now, we have stochastic below the lower line. And yeah, and the RSI as well. So most likely, if we're going to zoom this out even a little bit. Let's hit a buy, or real quick, a buy right there on ADCNY. Trying out first trade of the day. $500 on the line, ADCNY. Reading from the stochastic. Yeah, I think this one was a good catch. The RSI is coming up. Yeah, and that's a pretty good bounce back. Okay. Now let's just start journaling. As again, ladies and gentlemen, bring your journal with you. I got my journal. I got my pencil. I bought new pencils. They're like metal and stuff like that. I don't know. I like it. Anybody that's in my club and my channel know how much I propagate journaling. Kind of just helps you organize your whole trading live, and there's a lot of positives to decide. And boom, right there, AD CNYOTC, we got a quick win with $960. Okay. Yeah, that was a cool one. Again, a pretty good example to show you guys how the indicators of stochastic and RSI work, because they were down here at the bottom yellow lines. Now they're bouncing back up. So we're gonna ADCHF. Also, we could have, we were at this point just a couple minutes ago. We could have read that, but we decided not to. And as a reminder, guys, I am going to, we're going to have our giveaway. at the end of the stream. As always, guys, for the last, I don't even know how much streams, we have been giving away $300 among 3 subscribers who completed the first stage of training in my Pocket Alpha app. So yeah, make sure to stay until the end. And yeah, you might even win real money. Get that shit sent straight to your balance. Okay. A, D, C, and Y. Stochastic reaching overbought. RSI chilling in the middle. Let's just kind of see what's... Okay, stochastic bouncing up. RSI still in the middle. Okay, this one is interesting. AUD USD. Quick sell. Boom. Right there. Stochastic was way up over in overbought. RSI, I decided kind of not look at that point right there, but it is nearing the overbought zone, nearing the overbought. And let's see what's going to happen with my $500 in the next 30 seconds. Okay. Let's keep that red. Let that red bleed down a little bit. This one is a close one. Yeah, it kind of screwed me over there. And look, right now, we lost that one, okay? We lost that one. Minus 500 on AUD/USD. But just take a look at it right there. Our RSI is coming right to that line right there. And the moment, and it just went over. It just went over. I don't really want to do no revenge trading right now. But yeah, right now it's going to be going down. Okay, let's leave that one be for a little bit. BHDCNY. RSI is cool. I'm trying to, right now I'm just looking for RSI that's near, okay, right, boom, yes. CAD/CHF, ladies and gentlemen. Buy. Boom. Right there. This one should be one of those. Should be one of those. Okay, guys. As a reminder, don't forget to like the stream so YouTube can pick it up. Right now, there aren't many people watching us. There's much fewer than usual. So let's kind of get it going. Let's get it going and kind of push it out to more users, to our community, so they can see how much money we make, how much money we lose. You know, it's not always a sunny day on our window because the stochastic is in oversold, RSI is in oversold, and it does not want to go up. Yeah. Okay, second loss, CAD/CHF. Okay, $0. It's time to pump our numbers a little bit. Pump our numbers. $1,000. We need a win. We need a win right now. I could be turning on a, okay, URUB, sell, just like that. Just looking at the indicators. I could be using more indicators right now. As you guys maybe saw from different streams, I like to use momentum and parabolic as well. But I have a feeling it's going to be a little too much stuff going on the screen, and it's going to be pretty confusing. But meanwhile, EURUB, we got a good read on this one, on this pair. As you guys know, the market. Okay, RSI is going down. Stochastic is going down. Very unlikely that in the next, as soon as I start saying it, it turns green. No way. Okay. 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 I understood. Maybe you can say. How'd you guys do on that trade? How'd you guys do on that trade? On EURUB. Just an FYI, while we're live, you can ask questions on the chat. I'll try to answer them while I'm managing my trades. But the whole point of the live streams is we can actually interact with you guys. And y'all just saw what happened. Y'all saw what happened on that EURUB. Okay, we started strong, though. We started strong. Don't matter. Let's just continue the search. Continue this. And literally, fucking... Where was that AUDUSD? Let's hop over back to AUDUSD. Boom! It's down dumps. What about CAD CHF? CAD CHF as well. Wait, what? CAD CHF is fucking yo. Y'all on those crazy vibes, bruh. Look at that. Bloop. And just homie does not want to just staying lower and lower. That's the first green in fucking 4 candles. I still want to trade on it though. I still want to trade on it. Motherfucker, it's still going down. Just wait for that RSI just a little bit more. Okay, we're going to come back to this one. We're going to come back to CADCHF. Put a quick pop on that right there. On our CADCHF. Okay, and EURUB, is it still doing that? Boom. Now it goes down. Okay, fuck that. USD keeping the normal stuff going on. LBP USD. ZJPY. Very in the middle. KROTC. Usually I don't go down here, but CARCNY. It's kind of, I think we should just keep these ones that we have. CADCHF. It's not leaving my mind. I wanna catch this one, guys. I wanna catch this one. Okay. I wanna catch this one. See? Fucking centimeters, dude. Over here. Now it's going up. Buy. Boom. Right there. We went for buy on CADCHF. Looking at the RSI, looking at the stochastic. Yes, sir. Watch that RSI. Watch that RSI. See, the RSI moves. It's the same exact movement. What's happening to the current candle right now? We have an uptrend stochastic. I can see it. The hell is going on with CAD? Okay. Okay. And now it goes up. And now it goes up. Boom. Yeah. What was that? 4 seconds off? 4 seconds off. Okay. Fuck CADCHF. EURJPY. Interesting stuff going on. EURJPY, stochastic, and RSI are above. But as we've seen in the volatile market today, that does not make any difference. So, fuck that. We're going 2K. We're going 2K. We're going 2K. Everything is going up. Everything is going up. Everything is going up. Everything is going up. Let's just read this one real quick. Motherfucker should be going down. Yeah, I have a question in chat. I'll quickly hit a sell and sell on EURJPY. Got a question, chat. If you're trading currency pairs, why not do it Forex? Guys, binary options actually have quite a few advantages compared to traditional Forex. Okay, they're better suited for scalping and all the short-term trends and stuff like that. Because here it's enough to be right at just 1 to 3 points and you can still receive the full profit. On Forex, even if you go 4 to 5 points in profit, you often don't even cover their goddamn commission. And also, guys, I teach beginners, and binary options are simply they're just better. They're just better for beginners overall. Yeah, they're here to understand, more straightforward and potentially more profitable for people who are starting out. I have no idea what's going on. Another loss on CAD CHF. Another loss on CAD CHF. EURJPY. I'm sorry about that. EURJPY. Maybe I should bust out some more. Fucking hit those with the momentum. Fucking. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's too much shit on the screen if I hit up all of my fucking indicators, but they would have helped me out in yeah, in all of these trades. Maybe I should keep them bounced up open just a little bit. Just a little bit. See, it's showing downtrend on stochastic. RSI is showing the pretty RSI is showing what the hell it wants to show. But our parabolic still shows us up. Okay. Okay. Three. Try a quick trade on AUD USD. Wait it out just a little bit, see what everything is showing us. Green, green, green. Okay. Let's click buy. AUD USD, I hit buy. Again, stochastic shows us we should have sold. But momentum tells us we should buy, and parabolic tells us we should buy. The last three trades wasn't the best. That's why I try to bust out some more indicators for you guys, but I have a feeling something happened while I turned on the stream. Yeah, because it's not flowing out. I'm losing bank right now, bro. Okay, yeah. As I said, guys, the market isn't good for the strategies that we've kind of busted out. A lot of news events, a lot of volatility. Small charts are moving in kind of like strong trends, but for mean reversions and rebound trading, a ranging market always works much better. Okay, guys. Trying to. I see you guys talking about the lag and stuff like that. Trying to quickly figure that out for you guys so you can continue copying my trades and stuff like that. But just as a reminder of what is going on and the reason to stay till the end of our today's stream, as always, we're going to be giving $300 the first stage of trading in my Pocket Alpha app. Yeah, the Pocket Alpha app is a very big project I've worked on with my team, a bunch of other traders, my homies. We've been working. We've trying to brown it back in. So yeah, just a reminder that we're gonna be doing the giveaway. Doing the giveaway in the yeah And I tried to do a bunch of changes to our kind of technological, as it's an issue on the YouTube side. So yeah, for people that's like a big problem, I'll be waiting for you guys in the Telegram sessions. It's gonna be about an hour after the stream. So yeah, there's not gonna be any lag or delays here. But I need a win. I need a win. I don't even care no more how much I need to win. 2K, 1K, so that doesn't work. 354. Let's go 3.5. Let's go 3.5. Let's go 3.5, and I'll bust out this again. Doesn't really fucking show me anything at the moment. Okay. Doesn't give me anything. Thank you very much. What about CAD? What about our favorite CAD-CHF? What the hell is going on? Okay. Guys, quick checkup about the lag. Hit a quick 3 pluses, plus. If the lags disappeared. We kind of changed the settings a little bit. Let's see if we got something. We got something from there. Shit, it's also okay. Fine. Sell. Boom. I'm just gonna watch this one out a little bit. Kind of reconnect with my neurons and shit inside my head. Because yeah, that one was pretty fun. Okay. 30 seconds, 3,500 on the line, CAD-CHF. I didn't really say that I was doing anything, but yeah. 20%, that shit turned green. RSI is going up. Parabolic shows us down. Momentum shows us down. Okay. 3, 2. Okay. How the Canadians say it? Okay. Or I'm very bad at accents. I am sorry for that. But meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, we just beat the CAD-CHF. Boom, like that. Bring that shit home. Exactly $6,720 into our account. Get a little quick breather. Quick breather because that was good. Quick breather and bounce it up to 4K. Another $500 on the line. Yeah, all of these fucking, yeah, let's bring that back so you guys can actually see the candles, what I'm trying to read, what I'm trying to do. But that helped me out because the other indicators that I tried to kind of use, they didn't really want to work on my side. EURUSD, EURUSD. Okay. ADCNY. Okay, yeah, and please write what result you got on the trade. Because I'm currently in profit. I'm in profit. But tell me what you guys have. I need to understand whether delay hasn't increased and whether it's not affecting any of the trading right now. Because I think we have to stay, guys, on the same page. We have to stay on the same page. We have to realize what's actually going on. And thinking about that, I think that was a big decision of going up to 4K. Maybe we should dial it back a little bit. I have 3.5 on our last, not $1. Yeah, let's hit it up. Let's hit it up at a cool 1,000. Cool 1,000. Because we just had a win after fucking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost 7 losses. So we should be reading it out. I got AEDCNY right now. Interesting on stochastic. RSI shows us stochastic is in the overbought level, so technically it should be going down. But if we turn on momentum and parabolic, it shows us it's going up. And it shows us no reasons of it to go down. But that's not the beginning of the trend. We still need the beginnings. Let me see my beginnings. Where are my beginnings at? Okay, okay, boom, right there. Two on the up. Stochastic on the up. RSI. Okay, let's just wait for a solid second. Let's wait for a second. No trades on CHF and OK today. Another 3 up. Going buy on CHF and OK. Not really looking at the stochastic and RSI right now. Using the good old parabolic and momentum, which continues showing me an uptrend. Stochastic is showing me a downtrend, and this is pretty much what trading is. You have to kind of understand what to believe, what's working, what's not working. Every day is different. Every trade is different. Something can come up in the world, you don't even know that it happened. Like you just went to the bathroom, some politician made some tweet, and boom, everything goes down. So yeah, right now in this day and age, especially in the last couple of months, we should be more kind of invested in that. A cool win, 1,920. I want. How'd you guys do on that one? If you guys supported me on CHF, on the CHF and OK trade, I got a win. I did level it down to 1,000. Because I kind of felt myself getting ahead of me. So I think we could 1,500, kind of slow and steady. You know, guys, slow and steady. There's no reason to be making millions out here. Okay. Uptrend. Stochastic should be going down. 4 and a 5. EUR CHF. I went for a buy. On EUR CHF right now. Could be, again, I have a feeling See, guys, I got 4 indicators right now turned on. We got our parabolic, momentum, and RCI, and our stochastic. And parabolic and momentum shows us one thing. Stochastic shows completely something different. And RSI is doing its gangsta shuffle as it always does. Again, my friends, colleagues, I'd like to remind you guys once again that at the end of this stream, got 5 seconds left, and I'm gonna do boop 2,800. Cool. Again, feeling that it's a little bit. Can't really call it a comeback, but yeah, it's a comeback. Yeah, 2,850. Again, 3 wins in a row. Not bad at all. Yeah, so at the end of the stream, I'm going to be giving away $300 amongst users of the Pocket Alpha app who have completed the first module of trading. You know what? I'm interested. Let's just turn off momentum again and turn off our parabolic. And yeah. So, if you're ready for the giveaway, type 777 in the chat if you're waiting for your name. And if you haven't joined the app yet, make sure to do it after the stream. Make sure. Inside the app, there are AI signals, several levels of training, and many other useful tools. Yeah, and I'm gonna continue giving more giveaways amongst participants later on. And while I was talking, RSI, close. Stochastic, close. Still. Hmm. So we want the pair to be completely synced up for it to work. JBPAUD. Okay, yeah. Stochastic here. RSI is here. So technically, if I'm using only these two indicators, the next correct move is going to be buy. Boom. Got a gem. Thank you very much. And look, I already did it, okay? Using stochastic RSI. Just real quick, turn on momentum and parabolic. Momentum shows us big red. Parabolic also shows us a down. But, meanwhile, this could be one of the first times in this stream that the indicators that I wanted to use at the beginning worked out. Cool 1,500 on GBPAUD, which gives us a cool win of 2,800. Yeah. Gang stuff, guys. That was a good one. I like that one. JBPAUD. Yeah, that was a good one. 2,800. Okay. Dare I go to 2,000? Dare I? I think I do. Solid 2,000. Usually go this low. USDRUB. What do we have going on in our OG pairs? Not the OG pairs, just the ones that come first. CAD haven't checked that one. We kind of started waiting on it. Okay. Boom. Okay. As you guys see, we have our stochastic way in the oversold zone. RSI also way in the oversold zone. So we hit buy. With 2,000 on the line. KES USD. I went buy. Make sure to type in the chat if you guys got the win. If you guys got the loss, as again, the whole reason for the streams on YouTube is for the community. It's for the community to get to know each other, for you guys to see how I do my trades, and yeah, this one seems pretty good as well. We got 20 seconds. We all know that 20 seconds is a long time, and a lot of stuff can and probably will change in 20 seconds, but we just have to believe in the better of tomorrow, and that in 5 seconds, yeah, boom, $3,840. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wins in a row. 5 wins in a row, guys. I am calling this a comeback. Okay. Okay, we got EURRUB. We had a loss on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades ago. We had a loss on AEUR RUB. And I want a comeback. I want a comeback on this one. RSI is not technically in that zone yet, but shit is coming down. I'm pretty sure if I turn on parabolic, should be the beginning of a downtrend pretty soon. Let's check that up on momentum. Nope, does not look like that's happening. I want sell on EURUB. Once again, I'm listening more to our stochastic and RCI. I just turned on momentum to kind of a momentum and parabolic to maybe get like a second opinion. Didn't really show me anything because it wasn't the beginning of a trend or anything else. But yeah. EURUB. Ah, shit is green. Look at that. Look at that. It's green. Yeah. It's green and it just popped up. It just popped up. Yeah. Come on. Okay. 5 seconds. 5. Okay. Okay. Yes. Fuck yes. Another 3,840. See what the market is, guys? Fucking 6 losses in a row. Boom. Next second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins in a row. You know, ain't nothing gonna tell me that. It's an interesting thing that we do. It's an interesting thing, and I think we can go over to the giveaway. Yeah. On this good note. Or, yeah, we should trade a little bit more. Let's trade. We had a good streak. We have a good streak. I just usually like to end it off on the positives. So, yeah, let's try to see some more. Let's find those pairs. JBPAUD. Okay. Okay. It's probably going up. I'm going to keep it at 2,000. I'm not going to go wild right now. This is a buy trade. It should be a buy trade. You know what? I'm going to make it a buy trade right there. Buy JBPAUD. 2,000 on the line. Stochastic shows us big down. Big down, 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 down. Got a question. Got 40 seconds. My screen is no way the same as his or anything. Not sure what I'm doing wrong. If your chart doesn't match mine, just try doing these things. So first, rewind the stream to the current point so you can follow alongside me in real time. Second, you're going to want to make sure you have the correct asset selected. And third, check your time frame. I'm using 1 minute. So each candle is a minute. Yeah. I don't know what you have selected. So it's time frame, your pair that you choose, all of that. Matters, bruh. Okay, look at that one. Yes, another one. Another one. JBP. AUD. Two wins. 2 wins, by the way, on this pair. What y'all get? What y'all get? Y'all win, y'all lose? What happened on that one? I won. Okay. 3,840. You know what? I think we should I raise it like at the end? Then just okay, let's go. Let's do 500. 2,500. See what we're gonna Okay, ADCNY. Our first win, actually, of the trades today that we had. And what do we have going on here? We have our stochastic in the oversold zone. Our RSI is just about touching it. Let's just wait for another like 30 seconds. See what it's gonna do. Buy. I just went buy on ADCNY. Try to read out that stochastic right there. RSI could be doing completely different stuff right now. Okay. Okay, got that stuff trying to figure it out. Fucking shit. If I fucked it up in the last. Nah, come on. Okay. And a loss. Our winning streak of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. 7 trades in a row has just been stopped with ADCNY. The trade that we started off with today. We started off with ADCNY, a solid win. And we just had a loss on this one. I have a question. My screen is different. Also, I'm like 2 candles ahead. That's very cool. If you're actually two candles ahead, maybe you should be sending signals to us, because that would mean that you're in the future. But in reality, it's most likely a settings issue. You're just gonna have to double check that everything is kind of set exactly like mine. So yeah. Bet. Okay. ADCNY started off with a win, $960, and ended off with a loss. And we're going to be moving on to the giveaway part. We're going to be moving on to that. By the way, it's my favorite part. We've locked in our profit. So it's time to kind of give back to the people. So I'm running a quick giveaway amongst people who completed the training in my free trading app, Pocket Alpha. As most of you guys already know, there are 3 prizes of $100, just like in all of the previous trades and stuff that we had. Okay, hit that quick refresh. And ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you guys are ready. I hope that you guys are ready to see who is going to be one of the first people to win $100 on this stream. Roll that wheel. Brrr. Spin that wheel. Roll that wheel. Spin, roll, same shit. What do we got? Who do we got? Brennan Holcomb. I hope I said that correctly. Brennan, congratulations. Boom. Just over to you. $100. I got you, bruh. Thank you very much for using the Pocket Alpha app. Seriously, thank you. Because this is not just something that maybe somebody else made and stuff like that. This is something that I worked on, and it's one of the, I don't know. I'm trying to remember a time where I've worked harder maybe on something. Can't really remember that one. Meanwhile, the wheel is spinning already. Let's see who we got in our second winner. Gray Vortex T. Gray Vortex T. Okay. Congratulations. Another $100 right over to you. Again, thank you very much for hopping up, using Pocket Alpha, doing a first trade and stuff like that. Before I'm going to be announcing the last winner of today. We have more streams. We have more giveaways. Just a reminder, if you want your name to be one of the ones on this wheel right here, join the Telegram, do the Pocket Alpha. It's completely free. And there's this the trading module. If you do the first trading module, automatically you'll be able to join this giveaway. So yeah, again, thank you everybody for using. I'm positive you'll be the next to win. Okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kev. Shit. I probably said that wrong, my man. But maybe it's lurker. Maybe that's not an I. Maybe that's a no. That's not an I. That's an I. Kev. Congratulations. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. $100. Yeah. To you. Thanks for using the Pocket Alpha app. Big respect. Big ups. And ladies and gentlemen, on this note, we're gonna be finishing up the stream, and it was great seeing you guys on the stream again after the break. I was really glad to see everyone, see your comments, kind of talk to you guys. The markets are quite challenging right now, but you know, guys, after a few losing trades, we still managed to put together a solid winning streak. So I hope you enjoyed the stream, and I'll see you guys in an hour for our session on Telegram. Peace out, guys.